Hey guys, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. So I could not find my favorite lip gloss before I filmed this video, so I feel naked. Please just stick with me during this trying time. If you are new here, I hope that you just go ahead and subscribe because you're gonna stay here, you're gonna join the crew. I still have not done my Q&A video, so my team name is coming, I promise. We are literally at 1,100 followers, which, like, what? We just got to 1,000. You guys are freaking killing it. Thank you so much for your support. Today I am back again with another denim DIY. I would say about 90% of my wardrobe is jeans. Black jeans, white jeans, navy jeans, camo jeans, whatever jeans, acid wash jeans, ripped jeans, boyfriend jeans, skinny jeans, high-waisted jeans, you get it. I love jeans. So if you saw one of my outfits under $50, that is another series that I have on a playlist that you can watch after here. I bought these jeans from Rainbow that were ripped jeans. I think they were ripped boyfriend jeans, and they had fishnets on the inside. And when I first got them and I put them on, I was like, why did I buy these? I could have just made them. So before you go and buy some fishnet jeans, I'm gonna make them for you. Well, I'm not gonna make them for you. I'm gonna show you how to make them. So if you're interested in that, I hope you keep watching and subscribe now because it'll save you a click later. Regardless if you subscribe now or later, you're gonna be part of the crew, so that's good. Alrighty, let's get started. So here are the jeans that I'll be using. They are just regular black jeans from H&M. I've had them for a while. Don't really care to cut them up, so this is the pair I'm using. This next part, I actually put the jeans on because I'm going to mark the jeans exactly where I want the openings to go. You are going to need some fabric glue, and this is also a seam ripper. It is still in the package, but I haven't tried it yet. I will let you guys know, give you a straight up review if I really want to use that. If not, tweezers it is. You're also gonna need a pair of scissors and obviously some fishnets. Hashtag married life. So in order to cut the jean from the outside, I'm gonna take it in the middle and pinch it and then create a hole. Go ahead and dig into that hole and cut out my shape. So this is what you will end up with. Big old gaping squares or circles, whatever shapes you decided to do in your jeans. Very important. Take your jean, flip them jokers inside out, both legs. Don't forget, super important. Don't look crazy out here in these streets. Go ahead and take your fishnet, and you're gonna want to line up the shape of the fishnet to the holes on the back. And this is where you're going to adhere it with your fabric glue.